Welcome to another WPXPO tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up WooCommerce shipping zones and how WowShipping works with them seamlessly. Here's what we'll cover: how WooCommerce shipping zones work, how to create a shipping zone, how to manage zones inside WowShipping, what are zone order, global shipping method, and common mistakes. The main thing to understand is that WowShipping does not replace WooCommerce shipping zones. It works with the ecosystem. Before creating shipping zones, go to WooCommerce, Settings, General. Here, check your selling locations and shipping locations first. Make sure WooCommerce is allowed to sell and ship to the countries you actually support. You can also check the default customer location setting. This controls how WooCommerce estimates the customer's location before they enter their full address, so it can affect which shipping options appear early in the cart. From the WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce, Settings, and open the Shipping tab. You can create and edit zones here and also add shipping methods. To create a zone, click Add Zone. Give it a name, for example, Canada. Then select the zone regions. A region can be a country, a state or province, or a continent. And if you need a more specific location, you can also limit the zone by zip or postcode. For example, WooCommerce supports exact postcodes like 90210, wildcard patterns, and numeric ranges. Once the zone is ready, click Save Changes. And that's the default WooCommerce flow. You can add the shipping method offered by WowShipping from here as well. Just click Add Shipping Method. Here, you'll see the regular WooCommerce options like free shipping and flat rate, and also flexible shipping from WowShipping. This means you can add a WowShipping method directly from WooCommerce's default shipping zone page. Now comes the interesting part. You can manage the zone without leaving the WowShipping workflow. See, using these buttons, you can create a new zone or edit an existing zone. Click on Add New Shipping Zone and a panel opens. Here, you can enter the zone name and choose the zone regions exactly as you do in the default WooCommerce page. This is the same setup, just showing you directly within WowShipping. To edit an existing zone, first select the zone, and you can edit it from the panel. Simple and seamless. Quick clarification, because this part can be confusing. WooCommerce checks shipping zones from top to bottom. The first zone that matches the customer address is the one WooCommerce uses. Here we have three zones: California, United States, rest of the world. If a customer enters a California address, WooCommerce should match the California zone first. But if the United States zone is placed above California, the customer will match the United States zone first before WooCommerce ever reaches the smaller California zone. That means the customer could see the wrong shipping methods. So the safe structure is smallest area first, like a city or zip code, then state or province, then country, then the broader zones. The rest of the world zone stays at the bottom and works as a fallback. Quick clarification, they may sound similar, but they work differently. Rest of the world is WooCommerce's fallback zone. It only works when the customer's address does not match any other shipping zone. For example, if you only have zones for the United States and Canada, then customers from other countries can fall under rest of the world. But global shipping method is different. It's a WowShipping option that lets one shipping method apply everywhere. So in simple words, rest of the world equals fallback zone for unmatched locations. Global shipping method equals available for every location. Before finishing, here are a few mistakes to avoid. First, don't place broad zones above specific zones. For example, the United States should not appear above California. Otherwise, California customers may match the wrong zone. Second, remember that each customer only matches one zone. WooCommerce uses the first matching zone only. Third, don't confuse rest of the world with global shipping method. One is a WooCommerce fallback zone, and the other is a WowShipping universal method option. Fourth, use postcode rules carefully. Add one postcode per line and use wildcards when needed. Finally, test at least 2 different addresses and confirm that the right shipping methods appear. So that's how WooCommerce shipping zones work with WowShipping. If you're stuck with any WooCommerce shipping issue, leave a comment below. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WooCommerce shipping tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.